Hi everyone! This is going to be a shorter version of my tutorial on gorgeous false braids. Let's begin. I divide my hair into equal parts and then section each of those parts in the middle. I'm going to attach hair extensions, 2 wefts of Glam Time hair extensions along the parting, and when you choose the color of the extensions, remember to match it to the color of your ends. I grab a strand of hair above my forehead without the extensions and tie it with a clear elastic band. Then I section a strand of hair together with the extensions, parallel to the first one, and also tie it with an elastic. I divide the top strand of hair in two and bring them around the bottom strand. I'm going to secure it together with my extensions and some of my own hair. And again, I divide the top strand of hair in 2 parts, bring them around the bottom strand, and secure them together with some loose hair with the extensions. And I repeat the same process multiple times until I incorporate all the loose hair into my false braid. At first, this hairstyle is going to look slightly awkward, but in the following step, we're going to totally transform it. So I just tug on the sides and then on the center of each segment of my braid to give it extra volume and texture. Once I repeat the same process on the other side of my head, this hairstyle is complete.